Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put crypto into your Coinbase wallet. First, you'll need to ensure your Coinbase account is set up and verified. This often involves linking a bank account or a debit card, which allows you to easily purchase digital assets. Once your payment method is confirmed, you are ready to begin acquiring your first cryptocurrencies. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and secure experience, typically taking just a few minutes to complete. Once your account is funded, buying crypto is straightforward. Navigate to the Buy/Sell section within the Coinbase app or website. You can select from hundreds of cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you wish to purchase, review the transaction details, including any associated fees, and then confirm your order. Your newly acquired crypto will typically appear in your Coinbase account within moments, ready for use. To receive crypto from another person or an external wallet, you'll need your unique Coinbase wallet address. In your Coinbase wallet, select the cryptocurrency you wish to receive and tap Receive. This will display your specific wallet address and a QR code. Share this address with the sender. Always double-check the address to ensure accuracy before confirming the transfer. Funds usually arrive within minutes, depending on network congestion. If you already hold crypto on the Coinbase exchange platform, you can easily transfer it to your standalone Coinbase wallet. Open your Coinbase wallet, select the asset you want to transfer, and choose Receive. Then, from your Coinbase exchange account, initiate a send transaction to your Coinbase wallet address. This internal transfer is typically fast and often incurs minimal or no network fees, providing a seamless way to manage your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.